Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how you can find contacts on Apple Music. So to start, you will need to tap at your PFP or avatar, open the account settings, and enable the contacts on Apple Music. And just to be safe, I also recommend that you switch on the Allow Finding by Apple ID option as well. Then save the changes. Now you will need to open your Apple Music profile, like that. And at the bottom of your profile, you'll find the Follow More Friends option. So tap on it, and if the Apple Music will find any other Apple Music users among your contacts, you'll see their profiles here. And from there, you will be able to start following them or simply have a look at their Apple Music profile, whatever is that you want to do. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.